guys, finally he sleeps. We're back again here. Today we're going to take a look at my favorite tool when it comes to changing oil filters. When it comes to removing this kind of oil filter, there are a lot of options to get it off. You have to have something that's going to grip it and twist and tighten. The basic one that most people use is this tool right here, which you put on there and it actually, well, depending upon which way you're putting it, it locks on, and then you can twist whichever way you're doing it. And then you flip it over to go the other direction. It's not a bad tool, it's just not my favorite. If you're getting into some serious problems, you might have some more tools around the shop that look like this, that allow you to grip at multiple angles, but a lot of this stuff is difficult to get in to the car where it needs to be to get it off. And then if you get into some serious problems, you can always use the old tried and trusted elastic loop, which works the same way as the original one, but it's just a rubber. It grips and twists. The last option that you have is you can buy a snap-on that actually fits the filter that you have. There's teeth inside of here that match up, and then you can use a ratchet to undo it. This is great, but it's not universal. It only works for one size filters, and depending upon the filter, it's not necessarily the tightest fit. It's a bad option if you have a lot of different cars. Then you have to buy different filter caps for every single filter. But there is one tool that has worked fantastic for us over the last year, and it's this right here, which is a twist ratchet. This tool is dirt cheap, and it locks on whichever way you're doing. This one comes with a reducer so that you can even use 1/4 inch, or you can use 1/2 inch or 3/8, not quarter, 1/2 inch or 3/8, depending upon how much range you need. And it basically just locks on and twists it off. This is our favorite shop tool for doing oil changes. The ratcheting mechanic is pretty decent quality for this, and because we're not doing anything that should be seized up, it's an oil filter. If you've got a seized oil filter, then you've got some serious engine problems. So we're not looking for anything special or spectacular. We just need to be able to grab a hold of it, lock it in, and twist it and tighten or untighten it. And this allows you to get in there off of the end. Basically turns any size filter and this cap, which is probably the best option, into a universal that works with all of the filter sizes. All right, so here we have it on the ratchet, and I've got it set so that it tightens down. So we're loosening it. And if we put this over the tool, actually I'm gonna put an extension on it. I've already drained the oil, so there it is. It's cranked on and tight. And there it goes, twisting it off. Should be able to do it by hand from here. Just gonna let it drain down so I don't get a bunch of crap all over me. But this is a fantastic universal tool, and we've used this for at least a dozen oil changes and have had no problems with it whatsoever as far as it holding up. But again, I mean, this isn't something that you're trying to worry about seizing. It's an oil filter. That's it. We're tight. I hope this helped. If it did and you're considering buying this tool, the link is below. Dirt cheap, it makes things so much easier moving forward. If this helped, make sure you subscribe here at YouTube, turn on notifications so you never miss when a video goes live. Finally, he sleeps. As long as you guys keep showing up, I'll keep making videos.